And welcome to the inaugural episode of Bird Ball with Blackie and Smokey. Going to watch them play a little bit of game. Oh, Blackie's already got one in the paw. He's bouncing around, going left. Light grab in the paw, but not enough to ring that bell. So if they catch it in the paw or they do a tag team, they get a bell. And if they catch it in their mouth, they get a horn. Oh, there's that tag team. Smokey's coming out. And he's chasing it left. He's chasing it right. He's jumping up. He's rolling around. Flipping over. Oh, there's a nice flip. These guys are rookies, you know. They haven't played this game too much. So we'll see how they do. Smokey jumps again, running around in circles trying to figure out how he's going to catch that little bird ball on a string. Planning. Oh. There's a pounce and he misses it. Oh, beautiful flip over. Whoop. Caught it with his paws briefly, but not enough for the bell. And another pounce, another jump, another flip. Running in circles. Trying to figure out why Daddy is just not really doing much. Holding it still, feigning a pounce. What's going on? Oh, he's going to hide behind Daddy and take a pounce from behind. Here he goes. Here he goes. It's moving. Is he going to jump? Is he going to jump? Smokey's just watching. What is he going to do? Oh, there's a bell and Blackie comes barreling out of the bedroom. Oh, and he's got the feather bird caught in his claws. He's getting bells. Smokey's wandering off to rest in the back while Blackie is vigorously chasing and pouncing and jumping and flipping. And there he goes. He's almost got it in his mouth again. Oh, and there, oh, it's in his claws again. He's got 3 bells now. Oh my goodness, ladies and gentlemen. Blackie is just blasting that bird. Some more jumps, a few more pounces. Flip, sort of. Oh, does he have it? Yes, he does. He's got it. Oh my goodness. Hey, that's 4 bells. Yeah, he's got 4 more bells. Jumping, flipping some more. Oh, that Blackie, he likes to jump. He likes to fly. The breather here. There they go. Oh, Smokey comes out with a tag. And there's Smokey chasing it down some more, fighting at it, batting at it left and right. Oh, what's going on? Oh, he's got it in his mouth. He's got it in his mouth. Oh my goodness, how many buzzers is he gonna get? Oh my lord! 6 buzzers for Smokey! And he's chasing it and jumping it and circling it. And it's a little confused right now. Doesn't quite know what to do. Well, there's Blackie. Blackie just made a wonderful little tag team over there. And, well, it seems Smokey's come back again already. And I don't remember seeing Smokey jump back in. Or is that Blackie? No, that's still Blackie. Blackie took a short break there, started chasing. And he's got it caught in his claws again. He's getting the bells. He's got how many bells now? He's got 4 more bells. Round and round and round in a circle. Oh, and he pulled it out of Daddy's hands and got the special alarm. Sits there, he's watching. Smokey's watching way back there by the bed. Oh, here comes Smokey out for an attack. Smokey, oh boy. Blackie got boarded and Blackie's back out. There's some jumps, circling, some running. You know these boys, they just love to play this game. Look at how high their little tails are flagging up. Here comes Smokey, our tag team. Seems every time the little bird toy goes into their food, they both get really upset. Smokey's jumping after it. He's got, no, he missed. He thought he had it there, but it was close. No bells, no buzzers. Smokey's running off back to behind the little toy house. Here it comes. It's a pounce. He's got it in his mouth. But it's only brief. See what he does here. He's running around in circles, watching it fly, jumping up, bouncing up after it. Oh, there's a nice. Oh, he's got it in his mouth. Look at this. Oh, he's running away with it. Oh my goodness. 4 bells. 5 bells, 6 bells, he's running away, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let Smokey come back. Oh, there it is. And he lets it go. He's hiding back there. He's waiting to pounce again. There he is, jumping up and down, running after it, doing a flip. Tail high in the air, enjoying his game. Get ready to pounce again. Oh, there's Blackie coming in for a tag team. He's just sitting there watching it. He doesn't seem to quite know what to do. Oh, he's running around in circles, chasing himself, and he's jumping high. Oh, running into the countertops. And, oh my, he's got it in his mouth briefly, and he let it go. Long enough to get the bell, or horn, or whatever that sound was. Step stepping back, trying to figure out what am I going to do. Watching. Blackie on the near end, Smokey on the far side. They're both watching the bird. Neither of them are doing much of anything. Just watching. Watching. Oh, is that Smokey who's coming out to stop from behind the cat house? And there he comes. He's a tag teaming, and he's briefly got it in his claws, but not enough for the bell. Jumping up and down. Looking around. Where is it? Where is it? He wonders. He can't figure out where it is. That uneven light in the house today. But that doesn't seem to bother anybody at all as Smokey sits there and just watches the bird fly back and forth. And, oh, there it is, back in the food. And here comes Blackie to take it out of the food and chase it away. And Smokey chases it from the food. They're both on the far end. Not really participating much. Taking a little bit of a break. Back, waiting. Uh-oh. The bird's moving towards the food again. Ladies and gentlemen, what is it going to do? Is it going to start eating the food? And if it does, who's going to come out and protect it? It's Blackie. He's got it in his teeth. He's got a good bite on it. Oh, not so good. He's let it go. Birdie's watching in the food again, and Smokey's back to chase it out. There's that pounce, and it seemed a half-hearted ending there, but he's jumping around looking for the... Oh, he's caught it in his claws. He's not going to be very effective laying on his side hunting like that, is he? What do you think, ladies and gentlemen? He sure is darn cute, I'll tell you that. Blackie's taking a look. Smokey's watching. Blackie's come out for the tag. A brief tag. And the bird is flying free back and forth. The cats are watching him back and forth, and they're not really participating too much right now. Seem to be a little bit winded. Smokey, oh, there's a tag and a pounce and a jump. Another jump. Oh, and Smokey's going after it. Whoop, now he's tired again of resting. Whoop, he's back up. He's chasing it around. He's going after it. He wants it. He seems to want it badly now. Oh, he really doesn't want it to get... Whoop, whoa, he's got it in his mouth. He's got 2 bells for 3 bells. And there's 4 bells. And oh, Smokey, you are really getting that bird in the mouth, aren't you? Yes, sirree, Bob. We're 14 minutes and 45 seconds into the match. Birds flying freely back and forth. Both cats are on the bedroom end of the play area. Here comes Blackie starts to jump in, and yes, he takes the tag. And he's chasing it around, trying to catch it, but he missed. He's jumping after it. Oh, he's very aggressive now. He's become very aggressive all of a sudden. Look at him go. Oh my goodness. He's got it in his claws again. What's he going to do? He's just shaking it up and down in his claws. He just, well, you know, that's just how it is. You know, that's 5 claw bells, 6 claw bells, 7. Oh, he's got it in his mouth and his claw. He's getting bells and buzzes at the same time. Oh, Blackie, you just blew it all away. Bird got freeze, flying back and forth. Blackie's just kind of watching, figuring out what to do. A few more jumps, a few more aggressions. Oh yeah, he does like to jump, doesn't he? Oh, he slid and fell on his butt there. Almost ran into the camera here. Here's a close look at the little birdie with a bell on it. Bird's starting to swing around. Blackie is doing some circles. Notices something moving in the camera. Well, what's going on here? Oh, he's just doesn't quite know what to do. I think he's tired, but he's jumping around. He's fine. He's got it in his claws again. Oh my goodness, he likes that bird, but he just can't seem to get it in his mouth as well as Smokey. But he's really good at clawing. So there it is again. Another claw. Jump, flip, jump, flip, jump. There's a run in circles. Another jump, flip. And he's keeping up. He's going after it. He keeps going after it. Yes, sirree, Bob. He wants that bird. He wants that bird. Where is he going to get that bird? Is he going to get it? Smokey's sitting in the back there just watching. Blackie's jumping up and down like a wildcat. He doesn't know this mini panther. The game is about to end. What are we going to do? Well, ladies and gentlemen, the timer is ending. The game is over. And thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you can see more videos of Blackie and Smokey.